Have you ever wondered why some ads spread like wildfire while others die quietly with 0 clicks? The answer isn't luck, it's a formula. And here's the shocking truth. Most ads that fail not because of the product, but because of the words. Copywriting is the engine that makes ads go viral. Headlines that spark curiosity. Stories that trigger emotion. Calls to action that make people move. These are the real secrets behind ads that get shared, clicked, and remembered. Research shows that campaigns built around emotional triggers are twice as likely to go viral compared to those that only push logic. So what's the proven formula? Step 1. Grab attention instantly. Your headline or opening line needs to make people stop scrolling in less than 3 seconds. This works because attention is the hardest thing to win online. Step 2. Build emotion into your message. People make decisions with feelings first, then justify with logic later. That's why the most viral ads feel like stories, not sales pitches. Step 3. Give a clear next step. Don't assume your audience knows what to do. Tell them exactly. Click here. Buy now. Sign up today. Clarity is what turns curiosity into conversions. Now here's the problem. Writing copy like this takes hours of trial and error. You stare at a blank page, second-guessing every word, and by the time you're done, the ad still doesn't feel right. The frustration grows bigger when you need multiple ads, emails, and landing pages every single week. That's the trap most marketers and business owners fall into. But there's a simple solution. AI Creator Max has over 100 templates for titles, blogs, ads, and emails. They're all built on proven psychology like ADA, PDS, and more. Just answer a few questions, hit generate, and your copy is ready. It helps you write 10x faster so you can focus on scaling your business instead of wasting hours on drafts. Try it free today. Link below. Bonus tip: always test 2 versions of your ad copy. Even small changes like swapping a single word in your headline can increase sales by 20% or more. And here's a funny way to think about it. If your ad headline sounds like a boring office memo, don't be surprised if people ignore it. Now you know the proven formula behind every viral ad. This video is part of a mini course playlist on copywriting that helps you write words that sell across ads, emails, and product pages. So binge the rest of the videos for the full playbook. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment sharing your biggest ad copy struggle. And don't wait until tomorrow. Apply what you learned today and try AI Creator Max free at aicreatormax.com. Because every day you wait is another day your ads could have gone viral.